Hi guys, this is Kanhaiya Sharma and this is KSDrafter V3 installation video for Windows devices. Keep in mind that installation video is going to be same for KSDrafter free version and pro version. Once you download the zip file, right click and extract it. Go inside the extracted folder, read out the documentation or directly go inside the plugin folder, Windows, copy this file or extract the compressed file. Then click on this computer, go to C drive, program files, Adobe, double click on Adobe Illustrator, support files, required, CP, extensions, and paste the plugin folder here. If your Illustrator is open, do a quick restart of it. Once you are done with the restart, go to Windows, Extensions, and launch KSDrafter. For free version, you don't need a license key. You can resize the window as per your needs. I like to keep it at around this size and I like to dock it on my Illustrator. If you are a pro user, go to Window, Extensions, run KSDrafter Pro, and then go to your Gumroad account. Log in into your Gumroad account and on the left panel, look for Library. Filter out KSDrafter from your downloads and then go to the download page. Copy the license key from here. Come back to Illustrator, paste the license key and click. Your pro version is now activated. Same as KSDrafter free version, you can resize the screen and dock it as per your needs. Drop a like to this video, subscribe to the channel because soon we'll be uploading some more videos.